In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it and go back by clicking on this arrow at the top left corner. Then to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, use this pen, click on your text and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete your text, use the same pen one more time, select your text to get rid of and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!